Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fun and festive product that's perfect for all the Halloween lovers out there. If you've been searching for the best Hocus Pocus molds for chocolate, look no further. We're excited to introduce the AnyDesign 2-piece Halloween witch-themed fondant molds. These molds are not just ordinary baking tools. They're your ticket to creating delicious and charming treats that will elevate your Halloween celebrations. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes these molds a must-have. Each package contains 2 high-quality silicone molds, featuring delightful designs that include a witch hat, a black cat, a magic book, and even a bat. With these intricate patterns, you can easily bring a touch of Halloween magic to your baked goods. Whether you're making fondant decorations for cupcakes, chocolate treats, or even playful resin crafts, these molds will allow your creativity to shine. One of the standout features of these molds is their premium silicone material. This silicone is not only durable and flexible, but it also has a fantastic texture that makes it easy to use. The molds are soft to the touch, ensuring that they're comfortable to work with. You'll find that they're also easy to release, which means your creations will come out looking just as fabulous as you envisioned, with all the details intact. Plus, they're built to last, so you can enjoy using them for many Halloween seasons to come. Now, let's talk about versatility. These molds aren't just limited to chocolate and fondant. You can use them for a variety of baking and crafting projects. From cakes and desserts to candies, jellies, soaps, and even ice, the possibilities are endless. If you're into DIY crafts, you can also use these molds with modeling clay or epoxy resin to create unique decorations. The designs are perfect for Halloween parties, kids' activities, or simply to impress your friends and family with your baking skills. Looking for a gift idea? These molds make an excellent present for family and friends who love to bake or enjoy crafting. Pair them with some baking supplies, and you have a thoughtful gift that anyone will appreciate, especially during the spooky season. Imagine the joy of creating delicious treats together, filled with laughter and creativity. In conclusion, the AnyDesign 2-piece Halloween witch-themed fondant molds are truly the best Hocus Pocus molds for chocolate and beyond. With their adorable designs, quality silicone material, and versatility, they're perfect for anyone looking to add a little extra charm to their Halloween festivities. So, if you're ready to unleash your creativity and make some magical treats, be sure to check these molds out. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy baking, and we'll see you in the next video.